Hey there! Are you ready to experience a move like never before? Introducing CBD Movers, your ultimate moving solution for a stress-free and seamless relocation. At CBD Movers, we understand that moving can be a daunting task. That's why we've got your back every step of the way with our expert team. Our experienced movers are highly trained and dedicated to ensuring your belongings are handled with the utmost care. Customized services, whether you're moving across town or across the country, we tailor our services to meet your specific needs. Affordable pricing. We believe moving should be accessible to everyone, which is why we offer competitive rates without compromising on quality. Special features: packing and unpacking. We take the hassle out of packing and unpacking so you can focus on what matters most. Storage solutions. Need a temporary place to store your belongings? We've got you covered with our secure and climate-controlled storage facilities. Eco-friendly. We care about the environment, which is why we use eco-friendly packing materials and practices. Ready to make your move a breeze? Contact CBD Movers today for a free quote and experience the difference. Let us handle the heavy lifting while you focus on the excitement of your new chapter. Move with confidence. Move with CBD Movers. Your satisfaction is our top priority, and we're committed to making your move as smooth and stress-free as possible.